Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a wish list on the Alibaba app. But firstly I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 followers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. And as you are browsing and you see something that you like, you just have to scroll down a little on the product, and on the right side of this part you can see this heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, it will be red and it will be added to your wish list, and so on. If you go by and tap on this little heart-shaped icon, you just added it. And if you go back and on the bottom right corner you tap on your My Alibaba to your profile, here you can see my favorites. You tap on it and here you get the products that you liked, and you can see some recommendations also. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.